Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone. How are you? It's me Faruk Khan. You are watching T&Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you how to make visa in UAE, what is the cost and everything. I will explain about how to make visa and where you can make visa and what is requirement. So everything I will explain on this video. This video is going to be big, sorry for that, because I will explain everything. So from first to until you get here in Amer's ID, so everything I will explain. So let's start my video. So first we have to check in our system that quota is available or no. So if available, we can ask for the our staff that we need from them that passport copy and then visa copy. But if outside country, if you want to make a visa, so you don't need visa, so only you can say that is outside country visa. So you have to, when you are going to tasheel, so you have to tell that this visa will be there, the our staff is outside of country, so that we don't need visa copy. So after that we need a picture. The passport side background should be white, so background should be white, and then we have to prepare that how much salary wants to give to them. Okay, after that we have to decide that that contract will be limited or unlimited, so you have to know about that also. After that we have to know also that which day you are going to give the staff holiday for every week, so which day it will be off, so you need to know also that one. So another thing also, you need to the profession, that profession for the staff, what profession you want to make visa for them, that which profession, so you have to know also. So all I write here, you can see here that I write which profession, everything I write here, so one by one you can check. If you are a PRO, so you have to get from the owner that trade license copy, and then labor card, and then signature card. If you take no need OTP, but without signature card also you can do also. That way you need to take OTP, or you have to call the sponsor to give the OTP. So if it's available, you can make it that time. Otherwise, if you want to take the signature card, you can do also. There no required the OTP. So after that you have to go on any tasheel center in UAE. So after that we have to we have to create the offer letter. So when you are go to tasheel, they will make for you the offer letter. So offer letter, what the requirement I already explained about the salary, limited, unlimited, this one already I tell you. So this one, when you're going to make the offer letter, or they will ask you, so you have to answer from there. So after that create the offer letter. After offer letter, then this offer letter should be, you pay like 285 dirham. So this amount you should be pay. So after that you have to wait for the approval. If come in the approval, after that online you can check on about that. I will make on the description that the what website you can do, you can go and then check. So from tasheel you can check Minister of Labor. Welcome back guys. So after that you get the approval from tasheel. So after that, if you see that the approval come in, you can go in any tasheel center. So after that you have to pay the 1150 dirham, that is for the labor card for fees. So after that labor card fees, if you pay that already, so after you finish from the tasheel, so after that we have to go on Amer center. then we have to issue the entry permit. So for entry permit, we need only the from the staff, we need only the that what approval, and then from the on sponsor, we need the Amer's ID original, and then the money, and then then after we need the visa if inside country, so we need the visit visa when you are going to apply entry permit. So after that we have to give them, then they will give you the visa for the submission. So after that submission, here you can see that I received that one visa. So this is the visa. After that finish this come visa, same time you can make also change status. So when you make change status, you can apply also same place with Amer's ID of owner, the sponsor. After that, here you can see that the change status already come. So after finish change status, amount should be maybe 667 like this. So after you pay that one, after coming you have to wait. Then after you have to make type the medical and Amer's ID, go any typing center. So for the medical you have to pay 270 dirham, and for the Amer's ID you have to pay also like around 300 dirham. So pay about that one. After that you go for examination for the medical. So if new person, you need medical for x-ray and blood test. So this one need. And then after that, if you are new, you don't have Amer's ID, you need to make type the paper for the Amer's ID, for Amer's ID registration. So if you have Amer's ID old one, you have to tell to the man that who is typing. So after that they will create also that one. After you finish the for the medical, you will receive by email that the what name certificate for the examination. So after when you receive that one, you have to go you have to both, and then the visa copy, change status, all of this you have to go Amer center. So when you go Amer center, you have to submit for the final for the visa stamping. So that called for the stamp. So this one before need a original passport, now no need original passport, because the visa stamping only for online, and this is no required the original passport. But when you go there, you have to bring the sponsor Amer's ID, and then the money. So for the submission around like 600 dirham coming. So when you pay that one, you will receive same like this. You can see the stamping visa, this pink color. So after that you finish. So when you submit this for the stamping, maybe within 2 days you will receive Amer's ID. So like this you can make a visa in UAE. So if you have anything confusion, anything confused, you can message me, you can make comment on this video. I will help you for anything. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.